Welcome to Moss Miata. I'm Andrew, and today we're going to replace my original floor mats with these way nicer Tourist Trophy, better than factory floor mats. And I'll show you a couple other options too. Let's go. If you have an NA, the first step is to hook your right index finger under this chrome latch device and pull gently towards you. Once you've gotten the door open, you can take the old ones out. Then, put the new ones in. And that's about it. And just like that, your interior is transformed. We call these mats better than factory because they're about twice as thick as the original ones and much plusher material. There's also a nice built-in heel pad, unlike the originals. Another benefit of the plush mats is they're much nicer to rest your head on when you're working under the dash. Another great option is these rubber mats. If you live in a wet climate or have muddy feet all the time, they're a great option. Still look really nice, but are going to be much more durable and easy to clean, and they're a perfect fit as well. Whichever way you go, you can't really go wrong. These are both great upgrades over the flimsy original mats. There's also a bunch more to choose from on mossmiata.com, so don't forget to browse around there. This was a pretty easy project. It only took me about 4 hours, but you too could do this at home yourself. So I hope this was a helpful video.